we go. Canadian National Championships. Uncle Kevin, Ryan Cook. Let's get there, Fort St. John. At this point, it gets dangerous. And if this ice crashes, it's, you know, game, because there's nothing we can do and we don't want to die. We love carving, but we don't want to die for carving. So hey, what's up? We're in Fort St. John and we're about to carve at the Canadian National Championships representing British Columbia, and we are carving a golden moment. This is when Sidney Crosby scored.
Billy Bridges and the Canadian team, sledge hockey.
Yeah, and we're going to encapsulate it in the gold medal. We got crazy weather coming up, but we're going to do our best. Uncle Kevin, Ryan Cook.
Wish us luck.
Be sure to vote. The link will be at the end of this video. Thanks, guys. You. It's nice and cold. The temps are gonna rise. Kev got the van warmed up. Okay. It's too hot, so we gotta. Crazy. Okay. We're gonna go this way. It's too hot, so we gotta build a scaffolding tarp to fight the sun. This is insane. Jesse and Joanna are on fire. Crazy. And Caleb. My little dude is ready to go. It's day 2 and the weather has changed dramatically. It is now +4 degrees, feels like -1. It's gonna get +6, feels like -0. The wind is supposed to kick up to 12 o'clock to 70 km/h winds. So this piece now is basically, let's get it done as fast as we can and salvage what we can, because we just need a picture to take for voting, where you guys are gonna vote for us, because you know the battle that we've been going through and how hard it is. So we gotta rip today, and we gotta just hope that this lasts and hope that it doesn't fall on us and kill us. So you hear that wind?
That's howling.
That's howling. The wind right now is at 50 km/h. It's supposed to get to 85 today. So Kevin and I have lost all the detail in our faces, everything. So now we're just carving the silhouettes of everything, because we have no, listen to that. At this point it gets dangerous, And if this ice crashes, it's, you know, I don't know, 20 or what is it, 15.
Give you a good headache.
It'll kill you. It'll kill you if it falls on you. So at this point right now, Kevin and I just have to do the circle. We're playing the salvage game because there's nothing we can do and we don't want to die. We love carving, but we don't want to die for carving. So we're just doing the best we can. The team's done everything they can to keep us going, but now it's against the elements, and you can't beat the wind. So for the next, we have 8 hours to carve, but in reality we're gonna carve for, I don't know, 2 hours and then get away from it. So I'm gonna throw on the time lapse. We're gonna kick on some happy music.
Here, if it comes towards us, just lean into it, try and get it going that way.
Oh, if it comes towards you, just dodge it, man. You can't move this much.
No. I'll hold that. You get that set up. We'll cut that out. Let's just take that triangle off first.
Yeah.
And then we'll bring it down.
I mean, look at the lean on her.
I know,
Whoa.
Is it getting worse?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
She's gonna go.
Gonna go.
She's gonna go.
Don't want to be back there for long.
No, we can't go back there anymore. The wind is nuts. This is the crazy part about ice carving, is the weather. It's like, it's nuts. So right now we're at the final cut of the ring. And if that doesn't crash, we're good. It's not too cold, it's too hot. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Normally it's -20, so what can we do? We finished the best we could, so let's have a look. Down she goes.
Wow, well, nobody's gonna get crushed by it.
Yep, I knew we needed to stop when we needed to stop. She's down.
All right, Billy Bridges, you still hanging in there, buddy? Billy's solid. I bet you'll see him in the next couple of days.
Yeah.
Look at all the detail that's
It's all just melted away, fractured.
Sidney, somebody cut him off the knees.
Sidney just lost.
What do you call that in hockey when you get whacked in the knees?
I don't know, slashing?
Yeah. Sidney
Well.
Crosby got slashed.
Well, I guess that's it for us. So be sure to go and vote, because that's really the only way we're gonna win. We couldn't do anything against the wind, the elements, everything that was against us, but it's about the provinces. So if you're from BC, or if you like watching me and Uncle Kevin, or
Hockey,
or whatever it takes,
sledge.
we still want to win.
Yeah.
So vote for us. Thank you for watching. My name's Ryan Cook. This is Uncle Kevin
Uncle
Carves.
Kevin here, and we're going to the pool over there. We're gonna hang out with Sidney.
Yeah, we're done.
Oh, you
Jeez.
need gum boots.